Hi, hello everyone. Good evening. Am I audible right for everyone? Let me know in the chat box quickly. Hello. Hi, hello everyone. Good evening. Am I audible right for everyone? Let me know in the chat box quickly. Okay, well, once again, welcome to all of you guys. This is Sham from JNV Haveri. And those who are watching in a YouTube, I think, guys, you might be getting a voice or things what I'm going to teach here live. It will be 2 minutes late. Okay, yesterday I can't able to follow the chat box which actually you kept in a chat box there. Okay, today I will follow it. Right? Okay, hi, JNV Ballari. Good evening, guys, everyone. How are you all? Okay, yes, that's good. That's great. Yes, Bijapur also joined. I think it's a good time to start, right? I hope you all can hear me here. And first, only in our beginning, only I'm going to suggest one thing here for everyone. Those who didn't means can't able to understand the concept. Okay, few of you are might be definitely you will not get a concept. No, that time please forward your question inside the chat box. Okay, no need to hesitate. If I know means definitely I will tell you the concept in a brief way. Cool. Okay, we'll start our today's class. Actually, today's class agenda means it's not any like big quantity. Today we are going to deal the concept of variation of acceleration due to gravity. Yesterday only we have to complete this topic. No worries. Okay, slow on study. We will run. Okay, variation of acceleration due to gravity. How it will be vary the value. Correct now. That one we need to study. And second point is that gravitational potential. Gravitational potential. Similar way, guys, actually this concept will be only for the gravitation chapter, first topic. Second topic है ना gravitation potential. In a similar way, electrostatic में आता है electrostatic potential. If you know the electrostatic potential properly, then only you can able to solve or understand the concept of voltage क्या होता है, potential difference. Okay, I will try maximum my level best to reach out to you all. Okay, we'll start. And before starting that, yesterday, what are the things which we covered? We'll take a quick recall and it might be given a good idea also. Yesterday, we started the gravitation field due to hollow sphere and as well as the solid sphere along with the graphical representation. Right? क्या हुआ था इधर solid sphere लेने से बाहर के point में हमको gravitational field intensity मिला था gm divided by r square. Here r square is a distance from the center of a sphere to the point where we are considering. Correct ना? Hollow sphere. Hollow sphere में mass किधर concentrate होता है? At the center of the sphere. Right? If you come across in near towards the circumference, क्या होता है? Point we consider on the surface of the sphere, hollow sphere. Consider on the hollow sphere, the r value will be equal to capital R. R value is equal to capital R, right? At the time, just replace this word, clear. And then inside, due to the uniform distribution of charge over the surface, the gravitational field intensity is 0 where inside. करेक्ट ना? इसके लिए ग्राफ ऐसे बनाया था हम, up to radius the gravitational field intensity will be 0. When it is reaches the surface the value will be maximum, ऐसे maximum होता है. And further moving apart from the mass means again it will be decreases, gravitational field intensity decreases square terms. Cool. This is what the equation. Correct. Similar way we studied the gravitational field intensity due to solid sphere also. राइट. सॉलिड स्फीयर के लिए बाहर का पॉइंट के लिए सेम पॉइंट होता है, सेम इक्वेशन, एंड दी ऑन द सरफेस आल्सो सेम, बट व्हेन वी कम अक्रॉस टू द पॉइंट वी कंसीडर इनसाइड, मींस इनसाइड में टू केसेस होता है, वेयर द पॉइंट इज लोकेटेड. द पॉइंट इज वेयर द पॉइंट इज लोकेटेड, फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट से बाहर का मास होता है ना, उसके वजह से इनसाइड ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड इंटेंसिटी 0 होता है. ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड इंटेंसिटी 0 होता है. देखो इधर ये पॉइंट पे से ऐसे बना हो, ओके, इधर मास यूनिफॉर्मली नॉट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, ओके, दिस मास के वजह से इसके अंदर ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड इंटेंसिटी 0 होता है. एंड पॉइंट पी से अंदर वाला मास होता है ना, उसके वजह से फॉर दैट रीजन द ग्रेविटेशन पोटेंशियल विल बी है, कितना है, दिस मच, -gmr/r³. वी सॉल्व दिस वन बाय यूजिंग द डेंसिटी फैक्टर. क्लियर है ना? होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड दिस थिंग, राइट? And also we draw one graph also. Graph कैसा था? Graph ऐसा बना था, electric field and as well as the distance. Okay, in solid sphere actually from the center to the surface, if you increase the distance means gravitational field strength also increases, because here and that equation you might be, if you are note on that one means देख लो उधर, E is proportional to R, मैंने बोला था इसको, means up to the radius the value will be increases when r is equal to r up to this point, right? Further क्या होता है, radius में means circumference में maximum होता है. Further when it is moving apart from the circumference again the value will be keep on decreases like this. Clear? Okay, then after what we taught, what I taught actually centripetal force and as well as gravitational field force. An object, any planet which is revolving around the planet means due to a force which is acting towards the center of a heavy body, correct now? And one more point I told you that it is moving with some velocity v, means this velocity doesn't depend on their own mass, their own mass के ऊपर depend नहीं होता है, right? And moreover this centripetal force towards the center है ना, centripetal force, this centripetal force is provided by the gravitational field force. That's why ये दोनों को इक्वेशन को इक्वेट करके हम क्या निकाल दिया था, इधर हम निकाल दिया था वेलोसिटी इक्वेशन, एंड वेलोसिटी इज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दी आई टोल्ड r. क्लियर है ना? अप टू दिस पॉइंट इज देयर एनी डाउट? लेट मी नो इन अ चैट बॉक्स क्विकली, quick for everyone, try to participate in a chat box. ऋतुजा, JNV, बिजापुरा, बल्लारी, guys, everyone. कन्वीनियंट तो है ना आज? ओके, cool. We'll move to the next point. Next point है actually we taught about this. Sorry. Yesterday I taught already acceleration due to gravity also. No, कोई problem नहीं. Again I will explain. Okay, acceleration due to gravity we studied. That is, this is the Earth. A planet के लिए एक gravitational field होता है. If there is a gravitational field for a particular planet, what it will do? It will attract the particle which is surrounding there. वो field के अंदर क्या क्या particle है, छोटा छोटा particle, right? Test mass है ना? We are also test mass. कैसे होता है? We are also test mass. Just take an example. Go to top floor of your home building. Okay, and just jump. Where you will come? You will come down. No, don't do this one. Don't do this one. Don't do this one. Okay, just I'm saying example. Correct now? We are also attracted by the Earth, right? That's why I told we are also like a test masses. It will be acting downwards a force W, that is nothing but mg. Okay, ये दोनों के बीच में ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड होता है, that is Fg is equal to इधर W. Fg का वैल्यू क्या था? mg mm by r square. R square is the separation distance from the center of earth to the mass where it is located. Okay, when it is near, that time only we are taking this one. Keep in mind, actually this mass है ना, it is located exactly on the surface of the earth. Okay, इधर m into g, m cancel हो गया, g का वैल्यू आ गया था gm divided by r square. Okay, this r value है ना, I told you that it is very near to the earth surface, that's why we are taking r, radius of the earth. Then g value will be equal to gm by r square. Right, here radius of the earth I told 6400 kilometer, and g value already you guys know 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. And then mass of the earth, yesterday I put a wrong thing here. Wrong thing means not exact, means 10 ratio is exactly right. Okay, here it will become around 6.65 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. Yesterday I put here 2.25, I forgot. Okay, keep this one. Okay, if you're going to keep all these things in this equation, means you will get the value of g will be 9.8 meter per second square. 9.8 meter per second square. आज का क्लास इसके ऊपर ही है. आज का क्लास actually we are talking about this value. What this value will be, actually we know that this capital G है ना, universal gravitational constant, right? This value will be constant throughout the universe. कहाँ पर you जा तो Milky Way galaxy or else other galaxy को जा, okay, the value will be same only, this value. But this value 9.8 meter per second square है ना, this value will not same at all the points. At all the points this value will not same. That's why today's class is all about variation of this g with respect to distances from the earth surface. From we are going first point we are going to learn how it will be vary on the earth surface. That is better. Okay, first case is above the earth surface, means earth surface के height जाने से, बहुत height जाने से, not like that I'm earth surface, now I'm going to top of my building. This is not a height what I am saying. Okay, बहुत दूर जाना है. This height is around 20 feet, means it is not a height compared to the radius of the earth. Radius of earth कितना है? 6400 kilometer. Correct ना? That's why. And then below the earth surface, what if I'm going to go inside the earth side, inside the earth, what will be the value of g? And due to the variation of shape, I will tell you what is the shape and as well as the rotation, what will be the value of g. These are all the things which we are going to discuss today's class. Right? We'll move. Are you ready? अरे यार बोल दो ना चैट बॉक्स में, एक छोटा सा मैसेज डालो. यस सर. Yes, thank you Sadiq, thank you Rutuja. That's great guys, great. Okay, we'll move to the first point. First point क्या है इधर? Variation of acceleration due to gravity above the earth surface. Guys, मान लो this is the earth. I'm considering one point mass above the earth surface here. Above the earth surface. देखो इधर this is the center of the earth, right? From the center of the earth to surface, this height है ना, इसको हम कहते हैं radius. This point है ना, from this point onwards will come, no, that is the height which we are talking here. We are talking about the height from the surface to above. Okay, from the surface above means here to here height is there. This is the height we call h. Right? Now we need to find out the value of g at this point. A point में g value find out करना है. That's why I'm writing here g dash. G dash क्या होता है? Actually we find out the g value. G value क्या आ गया था? g m divided by r square आ गया था. R square. Correct ना? This is a 9.8. Here at this point, I'm going to call this is a point A. This is a point B. At the point B के ऊपर g वैल्यू मुझे पता नहीं, a वैल्यू पता नहीं मुझे, that's why I'm calling this one as an g dash. Here I need to calculate the value of g dash. That's it. Understood, right? Concept is this much only. Okay, coming to the point. Actually हमको पता है, हमें पता है g is equal to gm divided by r square. यही इक्वेशन यूज करना है, r डैश भी यही होता है, r डैश भी यही होता है. बिफोर दैट आई टोल्ड यू गाइस, बिफोर दिस इक्वेशन, बिफोर राइटिंग दिस इक्वेशन आई ऑलरेडी सजेस्टेड यू द r स्क्वायर वैल्यू है ना डिनोमिनेटर में, वो प्रीवियसली क्या था, स्मॉल r था, इधर स्मॉल r था, पता है ना, स्मॉल r स्क्वायर था. I told r value is equal to r, that time only we return this equation, equation number 1 है ना, we return this one. Now this r value है ना, this is what the distance of this object, small m है ना, distance of this small m from this center of the earth, ये distance को हम बोलते हैं r. किधर से किधर तक, देखो center से point of the object where we are considered up to that point. Clear ना? Here r का वैल्यू क्या होता है, रेडियस ऑफ द अर्थ प्लस हाइट अबोव द अर्थ सरफेस. देखो क्लियर, राइट? जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस वैल्यू इन दिस इक्वेशन, सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. सब्स्टिट्यूट करने से क्या आता है, देखो g डैश वैल्यू विल बी इक्वल टू gm, न्यूमरेटर विल बी सेम, डिवाइडेड बाय r स्क्वायर. r स्क्वायर मींस दिस वैल्यू यू सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर, r प्लस h होल स्क्वायर, r plus h whole square. Clear? Okay, call this equation number 1. 1 हो गया ना. 2. This is also equation to find out the value of g, right? But always you can't able to put the value of capital G and mass. It is very hectic to find out the values, right? Calculation बहुत ज्यादा होता है, इसलिए क्या करता है मैंने, देखो इधर equation 1 कंसिडर करता हूँ. equation 1 क्या है, इधर लिखूंगा मैंने, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, अच्छे से सुनो. g वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू gm डिवाइडेड बाय r स्क्वायर है. इधर gm वैल्यू लिखूंगा मैंने, कैसे, r स्क्वायर को इधर मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा, g r स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू gm, सही है ना. इसको a प्लेस में डालूंगा, gm को आई एम गोइंग टू रिप्लेस विद द gm स्क्वायर, gr स्क्वायर. ओके, देन g डैश विल बिकम gr स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय r प्लस h होल स्क्वायर. देखो ध्यान से सुनो, ध्यान से सुनो, दिस r स्क्वायर है ना, इसको मैंने इधर लेके आता हूं, इधर मींस डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर को, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. इफ यू टेक दैट वन टू डिनोमिनेटर मींस इधर स्क्वायर तो r टू द पावर -2 होता है. आई एम टेकिंग दिस वन टू डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर, देन इस वैल्यू विल बिकम g डैश विल बी g डिवाइडेड बाय r प्लस h होल स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय r स्क्वायर. कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं. देखो एक बार, डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर कम्स टू न्यूमरेटर अगेन, करेक्ट ना. इधर डिनोमिनेटर टोटल डिनोमिनेटर है ना, इसको थोड़ा सा चेंज करता हूं मैंने, कैसे, g डैश इज इक्वल टू g डिवाइडेड बाय, दोनों को ऊपर स्क्वायर है ना, इसलिए मैंने क्या करता हूँ, r स्क्वायर को अंदर भेजता हूँ, r प्लस h डिवाइडेड बाय r होल स्क्वायर, होल स्क्वायर. This r will be divided to the two objects. Then this equation क्या होता है, देखो इधर लिखता हूं अगेन, g dash is equal to g divided by r means 1 plus h by r मिलता है whole to the power of square. This is the value of g dash. हाइट जाने से acceleration due to gravity क्या होता है, इसको कैलकुलेट करना है, करेक्ट ना. दिस इज द इक्वेशन फॉर इट, दिस इज द इक्वेशन. अब फील तो आता है, देखो क्या होता है, g का वैल्यू हमको पता हुआ था, कितना आया था, g वैल्यू 9.8 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर आया. मान लो h हाइट है ना, h हाइट आई एम गोइंग टू टेक 3200 किलोमीटर. सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए, सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए 3200 किलोमीटर मैंने ले लिया. r का वैल्यू पता है हमको 6400 किलोमीटर. इफ यू पुट दिस वैल्यूज हियर मींस क्या होता है, ये दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर मींस 1/2 आता है ना, ये दोनों का 1/2 आता है. सॉल्व करना है 1/2, सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस 1/2 हियर h by r के प्लेस में, इधर देखो g dash value will be g divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square होता है. 1 by 2 whole square, 1 plus 1 by 2 means it is nothing but 3 by 2. 3 by 2 whole square means क्या होता है guys? 3 by 2 1.5 whole square. 1.5 square means it is nothing but 2.25 है ना. इधर देख g divided by, इसका कैलकुलेशन लिखूंगा मैंने 2.25, करेक्ट ना. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. g वैल्यू कितना था 9.8, डिनोमिनेटर में 2.25. एक कैलकुलेट करो कितना आता है, तो आपको 9.8 से कम आता है. 9.8 से कम. it means that क्या हो रहा है, if you go above the earth surface, higher and higher region, the value of g, ये g वैल्यू है ना, g डैश हो गया इधर 9.8, इसको कैलकुलेट करने से 2.25 है ना, नियर बाय 3.5, ओके 3.89 आता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. 3.89 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर मींस अर्थ सरफेस के ऊपर कितना था 9.8 था. इफ यू गो 3400 kilometer above means the value of g will be decreases. This is the reality, correct ना. मेरा कहने का पॉइंट है ये, if you go above the earth surface the value of g will be decreases. That's it. Is it understood right for everyone? Let me know in the chat box quickly. Let me know. Note down this one. Note down. And meanwhile, anyone, if it is possible means drop a message in a chat box. Yes sir, understood, like that. Yes, at least yes. Yes, that's great. Okay. लिख लो इसको, सिंपल है, कोई प्रॉब्लम लेना नहीं है. And moreover, I'm not going to derive so many of derivations. ये तो बहुत बड़ा चैप्टर है. And yeah, we'll do. Okay, come to the point again. Here we got a equation at g dash. At this point में कैलकुलेशन करना है तो आपको ग्रेविटेशन का वैल्यू g डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस h बाय r था होल स्क्वायर, करेक्ट. दिस इज फॉर अ ग्रेटर वैल्यू ऑफ h. क्लियर है ना. इधर r का वैल्यू क्या हुआ था, r वैल्यू मींस फ्रॉम देयर सेंटर्स, दोनों सेंटर था ना. दिस इज द r वैल्यू विल बी इक्वल टू r from the surface to h. R value will be equal to radius of the earth plus h. Clear? Okay. What if the height is very less? ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. Even that point also we need to calculate the value of g dash. मान लो 100 feet. 100 feet में भी थोड़ा कम होता है, बहुत नहीं. Not it's a significant तो है, not that much. Correct ना. We need to calculate means we need to change this equation. कैसे? g dash, this is very important. This is for the very less than means h value लिख दो इधर, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. If the value of h is very much less than the radius of the earth, g value will be g divided by 1 plus h by r था. इसको मैंने ऊपर लेके जाता हूँ डिनोमिनेटर टर्म को. Then it will be g dash is equal to g into 1 plus h by r to the power minus 2. x to the power of plus 2 होता, ऊपर आने से x to the power of minus 2 होता है. इधर क्या करता है SCBSE usually in textbook they said binomial we are going to apply the binomial theorem here. Binomial theorem क्या है इधर 1 plus x to the power of n, right. 1 plus x to the power of n है minus n होता तो इसको लिखता है वो 1 minus nx in this format में लिखता है binomial application को. Here also we are going to write the same binomial theorem. G dash is equal to g into 1, this will become inside power of n था ना, right. That is what 2h divided by r. Actually generally this formula also there in your textbook. This is also formula which is there in your textbook. we need to apply this one when we are considering the height very less amount of height. When it is there, no, that time we need to consider this one. Is it clear, right? Let me know. Let me know. Moreover, here the g value is equal to क्या था, gm by r square था, correct ना? Here g is inversely proportional to r square. किधर? Outside. लिख दो इसको. G value will be inversely proportional to r square. इसको भी we need to write the क्या बोलता है, graph. Okay. Next one तो बहुत simple है. We'll move to the next one. Now same above the earth surface. Okay, here a question है guys. Question, right? This is not a concept. Yes, question. Find the height above the earth surface where g drops 36% of the surface. I will tell you. It's a simple question. देखो इधर. G value क्या था? G dash value g divided by 1 plus h by r whole square. This is the equation. What they are saying actually, we are going height from the earth surface. At a point, I don't know this point B. At this point, the gravity here 9.8 था ना, इधर 36% of the 9.8 is decreased, and 36% is decreased. Means what will be the height at that point? We need to calculate. Means we need to calculate the height. Height को calculate करना पड़ता है. Okay, g dash value 36% बोल रहा है वो. 36 means 36 by 100 ना, 100 of g, original g से 36% is equal to g divided by 1 plus h by r whole square. करो, मेरे साथ करो, वेरी सिंपल है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. g से g मर गया, करेक्ट ना? वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट द h को कैलकुलेट करना है, इसलिए क्या करना है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. देन इट विल बी 36 into 1 plus h divided by r whole square is equal to 100 cross multiply towards the right side, 100 इधर आता है. ओके, 36 इधर ले लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं ना. 36 इधर आता है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने से इधर से गायब, राइट? ओके, देन वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ h. दोनों साइड स्क्वायर कर दो. दोनों साइड स्क्वायर करने से क्या मिलता है, 1 plus h by r is equal to, इधर स्क्वायर मींस रूट आता है, इट विल बी 10 by 36 means only 6. 36 का स्क्वायर रूट 6 होता है ना. yes, correct. Okay, then we need to calculate the h value. Again, take one to right hand side, then h by r value will be equal to 10 by 6 minus 1 plus 1 था, इधर आने से minus 1. ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने से 10 minus 6 by 6 होता है. 10 minus 6 means 4 by 6. इधर h by r 2 2 जा 2 3 जा, then h is equal to 2 by 3. r को इधर मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूं मैंने राइट हैंड साइड को, then it will become r. means radius the value substitute करो 6400 किलोमीटर, then you will get a value of height. करेक्ट ना? ये height के ऊपर 36% of the original value of g will be decreases. क्लियर है ना? राइट, दिस क्लियर, राइट? स्पीड नहीं किया मैंने, स्पीड अंतु होगिಲ್ಲ. Okay, meanwhile if you are not understanding means please tell me in a chat box. I will repeat it. Here the problem says that we need to find out the value of g which is less than the 36% compared surface, right? That is what actually we are finding here. That's great. Okay, we'll move to the next concept. Concept तो बहुत जल्दी चलना है इधर. क्या है concept? Variation of acceleration due to gravity below the earth surface. Yes, guys, इधर देखो. Yesterday I solved one problem. No, similar way this is also there. Earth surface. Okay, इधर से center से up to this point the value will be r. Correct ना? From the center to here the value is there. No, this is called r. Right? R only, right? From the center only we will take r. Just a minute, I will confirm this one. Yes, correct. Okay, and then from the surface to down, we are coming down. No, this is called the height. मान लो guys, we are in a height h from the surface inside the earth. Inside the earth. इधर मेरा point है. Okay, now I want to know what will be the acceleration due to gravity at this point. A point के ऊपर acceleration due to gravity कितना होता है? This is the question. Question will be very simple now again. Now listen carefully. We know g dash is equal to gm by r square. We will write in a common way. Correct ना? इधर r value तो replace करना है. Again I made a mistake. This is nothing but capital R, small r square. Correct ना? Okay, small r के distance के एक mass है at a distance h below the earth surface. Okay, yesterday I told you guys, this is the earth surface, means in this point if you're going to find out the gravitational field intensity, anything means a पूरा का पूरा mass होता है ना बाहर का, this mass we are not taking. Correct ना? Due to this mass there is no field will be created. Right, what I'm saying, there is no field is created due to this mass. Right, only the mass which is existing inside, this mass only create the field at this point. Field, it is nothing but here acceleration due to gravity. Don't forget this one. In initial point only I told. Correct na? That's why we can't able to take here total m. Total m ko we can't able to take. Correct? That's why we have to take here g m dash by r square. R square is the distance from the center of the earth to the point where we are finding the acceleration due to gravity inside the sphere. ठीक है ना? Now we will take here m dash. M dash means mass which is surrounded only in this part. Blue color का region है ना वो, ये white color का region का नहीं लेना है आप. Clear? The m dash, how to find out the m dash now? Yesterday I told you, right? In a brief method. Same, in a similar pattern we need to calculate. कैसे? Density वाला. Density वाला पता है ना आपको? Density is equal to mass by volume. m dash find out करना है. Volume क्या होता है? देखो, rho into volume को इधर multiply कर रहा हूं मैंने 4/3 pi small r cube. बड़ा r cube if you are going to take means it is the volume for the whole sphere होता था अर्थ के लिए. Now only for the point where the object is located, where the object is located. And substitute करो इसको इधर substitute करने के लिए g dash is equal to, थोड़ा fast चलता हूँ इधर. Yesterday I explained this one, no? That's why. For that reason only. This is m dash. M dash इधर substitute करो. Rho 4/3 pi r cube divided by r square. R square से इधर एक r cube मर गया. एक r cube r is remaining. G dash is equal to 0 4/3 pi r. 4/3 pi r. This is the density. I told you that density will be remain same. Density क्या होता है? Mass by volume होता है. This is the density we need. Every point you take this point of density, you take this point of density, this point का density will be same. Okay, density का equation रख दो इधर. You will get an answer of g dash is equal to, yesterday we got an equation, no? Same equation will become here. G m r divided by r cube. This equation will become. Yes, this is the equation. Just turn your page, 2 page back turn करो. Okay, you got a same equation. Check करो एक बार. Check करो. Check it. Check ಮಾಡಿ ಇವಾಗಲೇ check ಮಾಡಿ. ದೂರ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬೇಡ. Correct? Same equation. I'm not at derived completely. Derive this one. Okay, same equation. That's why. Here you may look here. Inside वाला this one. G dash is क्या हो गया? G dash is equal or proportional to R हो रहा है. Keep this point in your mind. G dash का value R को proportional हो रहा है. Correct है ना? Okay, ठीक है. Up to this point is understood, means it is good. Call equation number 1. Call equation number 1. ನೀವು ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Yes, we will come to the point. What is that point? इधर देखो, G dash is equal to GM r divided by r cube है. ನಾವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ದಟ್ g is equal to gm by r square ಇದೆ, राइट. हियर gm के लिए इक्वेशन बदल दो, क्या होता है, g r square is equal to gm ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. Substitute this equation here, right. If you substitute that equation there, means what will be the next equation, देखो g dash is equal to g r square small r divided by r cube. ये r square से r cube में दो r मर गया, remaining thing will be here g dash is equal to g by r into r बच गया, right. Right, up to this point is understood, right, for everyone. I'm going to derive one more equation here which is very important, keep tuning here. g by r is into r मिल गया. हमको पता है r वैल्यू क्या होता है. इधर देखो, इधर ये r वैल्यू चाहिए. From the center to the surface, this value is radius of the earth. This is up to h, correct ना. This is called r. How are you going to guys, I want to know the answer. What is the equation for r here? Small r के लिए equation क्या होता है, बोल देना चार्ट बॉक्स में. सिंपल है. What is the equation for small r? फर्स्ट केस में r plus h था, radius of the earth plus height. एक केस में क्या होता है, what happens to this case? That's great. Good. एक केस में r minus h होता है. गुड, करेक्ट ना. सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है ये इक्वेशन में. नेक्स्ट पेज में सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं मैंने. ओके, नहीं, दिस इज अ पेज, हियर आई विल सब्स्टिट्यूट दैट वन. ओके, g dash is equal to g by r into small r. Small r को we have to replace with the capital R minus h. Here r means radius of the earth, h means how depth the object is present inside the earth. Okay, then g dash is equal to g by r, इधर r minus h हो गया, correct ना. Now what I will do, I'm going to take this r inside of this bracket, multiply करूंगा 1 by r को. multiply करने से क्या होता है, g into r by r minus h by r. अरे now देखो, some equation is coming which is actually expecting that you people are expecting this one, right. g dash is equal to g into r by r means 1 minus h by r. This is what the equation to find out the value of g inside the earth. inside the earth के लिए देखो, इधर g dash value is proportional to r, not r square everywhere here. Keep that one also in mind. Okay, क्या होता है g dash value if you go inside the earth, उसको कैलकुलेट करना है. देखो, मान लो again I will take the same values. h value I will take 3200 kilometer. r value पता है, r value will be 6400 kilometer. Why I am taking this one? It is very easy to calculate and we can prove that one. No, I need to prove here. I can't able to make क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कंफ्यूज करने के लिए नहीं, टाइम नहीं है इसलिए. ओके, दिस वैल्यू आई विल पुट हियर. ओके, h by r it will be 1/2 रेशियो आता है. देन g into 1 minus 1/2. 1 minus 1/2 means 1/2 होता है. g वैल्यू क्या है इधर, 9.8 divided by 1/2 means 2 आता है. it will be nothing but 4.4, करेक्ट ना. 4.9 meter per second. देखो, if you go inside the earth, if you go inside the earth from the surface, the g value decreases. If you go above the earth surface, g value decreases. दोनों पॉइंट में डिक्रीज होता है. This is what the final conclusion. Hope it is clear, right? Hope it is clear. For everyone, please do drop your answer in the chat box. yes, okay, good. Again क्या है? Next we need to draw graph for this one. This graph is very important. Actually JEE mains में एक graph पूछा था, that's why I'm going to draw here, right? What if I'm going to inside the earth? What if I'm going outside of the earth? दोनों इक्वेशन है. क्या है इधर देखो, this is the earth, okay, सेंटर से इधर तक चलने से g वैल्यू क्या होता है? फ्रॉम सेंटर टू टुवर्ड्स द सरफेस क्या होता है? सेंटर में क्या होता है? इक्वेशन देखो इधर, g डैश इज इक्वल टू g इंटू 1 माइनस h बाई आर. नो, इनसाइड के लिए h का वैल्यू क्या होता है? सेंटर में रेडियस के इक्वल होता है. ये दोनों का रेशियो 1 होता है. 1 minus 1 0, 0 into 0 0. g dash value will be 0 where at the center. सेंटर में 0 होता है अर्थ के सेंटर में, means it will be here, right? r value increases up to radius. radius के तरफ r value increases होता है, means in a same time में g value also increases linearly like this, because g is proportional to r. Inside g is proportional to r. Clear? What next? After covering the surface of the earth, when we are moving away, means away from the earth surface, again it will be decreases. But decreasing value कैसे proportional है? g is inversely proportional to r square. मैंने बोल दिया था already. Correct ना? Here only we put r value is equal to r plus h whole square. Means either inversely proportional to r square means g value decreases. कैसे decrease होता है? Exponentially decrease होता है, like this. This curve को we can say g is inversely proportional to r square. Okay, लिख दो इसको. How to concept है बोलना है. Marriage, I think it requires another 3 classes, 3 to 4 classes, maximum 4. 3 classes में I will cover the important topics which are required for the class 12th of your electrostatics, and Kepler's law and satellite है ना, geostationary satellite वगैरह. Those concept I am going to complete within one class. Okay, they are not actually related to the 12th class के लिए, last class में करता है उसको. Okay, I hope it is clear. We'll move to the next page. Meanwhile, if you are getting any doubt, means let me know. Okay, now I already told you, due to the shape, the value of g is decreases. How it is decreases? g value क्या है? g is equal to dm by r square है, right? Radius के ऊपर depend करता है g value also. Actually, our Earth is not exactly in the shape of a sphere, right? It is actually like a egg, not like a egg. थोड़ा ellipse के जैसे है, not exactly like that. Okay, if you are going to write the radius at the equator, means this is the radius at equator. Along the pole, this is the radius pole. Guys, I want to know one question. I want to know one answer from your end. Among these two, radius of the pole and as well as the radius of the equator, which is larger one here? Which is larger, radius of equator or radius of pole? Yaud doddu? Right? Great. I'm expecting the answer from everyone. Only one school is giving answer. Hello. Hey, pole. Equator radius is greater compared to the pole one. Pole radius tumba kadme ide compared to the equator. Equator radius is greater than the radius of the pole. Keep this in your mind. Okay. Ellipse semi major axis, semi minor axis you already studied. No, minor axis में b value छोटा होता है ना, like that radius will be less here at the pole points. Clear? And देखो इधर, if the value will be, radius value will be decreases, means g value increases. जी वैल्यू इंक्रीज होता है, मींस इक्वेटर, at this equator radius is decreases means g value increases, means guys at this point g dash value होता है ना, वो value maximum होता है compared to the value of g which is present at the pole. In a single line I will write here, gravity value is more at pole point comparatively at equator. Clear है ना बात? Why means due to the radius. Why means due to radius. Radius value बहुत कम होता है, that's why. Clear? We can say here gravity of pole is greater than the acceleration due to gravity at equator. ठीक है, we'll move to the next concept. Same concept here, variation due to rotation of earth also. Actually that concept is not exactly given by the scientist. This concept give the exact idea about it. क्या है ये अर्थ है ना, actually it is rotating around its axis. ये axis के ऊपर rotate कर रहा है. If I am going to consider a point of particle here at a distance of r, here r, due to this point it will be makes a rotation like this, right? Towards the center centripetal force exists. This centripetal force exists due to the presence of the gravitational force of attraction. A particle है ना, हम ही है, we are sitting on the earth is rotating, right? Where we are sitting है at the equator point में बैठा है क्या पता नहीं, इंडिया तो इधर है, correct ना? Similar way at the point here you will consider means the value, it will be rotate in this axis, the value of r is increasing here as a decreasing, and also here basically we are explaining this one based on the angle and as well as the angular velocity. Angular velocity क्या होता है, इसके ऊपर इधर एक फोर्स लगता है centrifugal force. The centrifugal force क्या होता है, mv square by r, yesterday only I told you, correct ना? In terms of omega you want to write means ये क्या होता है, m r omega square होता है, v is equal to r omega now, that's why, correct ना? Due to the rotation of a particle, the value of g will be changes here. How it will be changes, I'm not going to derive the whole thing, I'm going to say, I will tell you how it will be vary. Final equation, g dash is equal to rotation, due to the rotation at the exact point में इधर होता है, इधर देखो force इधर, right, कोई problem नहीं, g value will be equal to g dash value g into minus r omega square cos square theta, right, just let me check once, right, correct. This is the equation to find out the g value due to the rotation के ऊपर calculate करने के लिए, ठीक है ना? It is actually depending upon the theta, how it will be rotating. At this point if you are going to find out means इसके ऊपर norm, I will write in a different color, maybe you read this one in our textbook, it is good, okay? Towards the center हमारा weight होता है, in this direction actually this speed होता है, ये दोनों को बीच में क्या होता है, angle होता है, correct ना? ये angle के ऊपर depend होता है. Here if you will come means the speed angle will be here, theta value will be 0 होता है equator में, देखो इधर डालते हैं, if you put here means then only you will get an idea, correct ना? आज पता नहीं उतना effective नहीं दे रहा हूं मैंने क्लास, definitely tomorrow I will give the effective class, definitely, okay? g dash will be equal to g minus, मान लो थीटा वैल्यू कहाँ लेना है, इक्वेटर में लेना है, इक्वेटर में थीटा वैल्यू क्या होता है, 0, देयर इज नो एंगल विल बी क्रिएटेड, करेक्ट ना? हेंस 0 मींस cos 0 क्या होता है, 1, cos 0 1, cos square 1 मींस 1 होता है, 1 into r omega square. This is the value of g where at equator, equator के ऊपर. Radius of the earth and angular velocity, if you're going to substitute, means this value will become, you might be think like that, this value, yeah, I will repeat, this value will be, yes, definitely, देखो इधर r square at this equator, I'm going to write this here, cos square theta है ना, इसको इक्वेटर में कंसीडर कर रहा हूं मैं, किधर, इक्वेटर में, इक्वेटर के ऊपर मास इधर है, ओके, एंड व्हेन इट इज रोटेटिंग, इसका वेट टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर एंड इट्स वेलोसिटी विल बी here, m r omega square will be in this direction. So the value of theta will become 0, cos 0 will be maximum 1. If you put the value of 1 means here the value will become r omega square. Here omega square value very small आता है, correct? That's why very small value you're going to multiply with the g means neglecting amount, कोई problem नहीं, g dash value will become 9.8 से थोड़ा कम आता है, 9.8 से थोड़ा कम आता है, clear, right? Then same equation if you're going to apply for the pole, pole के ऊपर apply करने से क्या होता है, pole means this is surface, this is surface, correct ना, angle will become here 90 degree, 90 degree only, right? Yes, 90 degree होता है. At this condition, theta value if you're going to put means 90 degree, then g dash value will be g minus here r omega square cos square 90. Cos 90 value will be 0 होता है, 0 into anything will be 0, means g dash value will be g को equal होता है, means 9.8 को किधर equal होता है, पोल के ऊपर, इधर 9.8 होता है, okay, but in a equator if you're going to consider means it will be 9.78 or 9.76, in this range it will become, okay. This is due to rotation, this is due to rotation, clear, right? Majorly I told, okay. डीप डिस्कशन करना है मींस डेरिवेशन करना है, डेरिवेशन करने से बहुत अच्छे से मालूम होता है, ओके, derivation बहुत ज्यादा, that's why I'm not yet taken this one, clear, right? Just remember कर लो ये equation, कौन सा equation, यही equation, g dash is equal to g minus r omega square cos square theta, right? Keep this in your mind, note down this one in a notebook, clear? Okay, we'll move to the next concept. This is very interesting concept. क्या है, gravitational potential. Potential क्या होता है, potential, just imagine guys, come to the class here, listen, actually you are actually taking rest here, okay. ये पर्सन आपका फ्रेंड बी है, आपका फ्रेंड बी है, इसका हाथ में एक ब्रिक है, एक क्या है, ब्रिक, पॉइंट 1 पॉइंट में ब्रिक है. व्हाट ही विल डू, जस्ट ही विल लीव द ब्रिक ऑन योर लेग्स. क्या होता है, बहुत खुश होता है ना, आर यू फीलिंग हैप्पी, नो, व्हाट विल बी हैपन एट द टाइम, यू विल गेट हर्टेड बाय दैट ब्रिक व्हिच इज फॉलिंग ऑन यू, करेक्ट ना. पॉइंट 1 के ऊपर से आपके लेग के ऊपर ब्रिक गिरने से आपको हर्ट हो गया. व्हाट इफ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दिस ब्रिक अपसाइड, पॉइंट 2 के ऊपर लेता हूं, इधर से छोड़ता हूं, नाउ यू आर मोर हैप्पी कंपेयर टू द फर्स्ट टाइम, यस, बहुत खुश होता है, क्या होता है, टेल मी इन चैट बॉक्स, व्हाट विल बी हैपन, अरे यार बोल दो ना, you will get more hurt compared to the first point, correct? why देखो इधर पोजीशन चेंज हो गया, इधर पोजीशन चेंज हो गया, ड्यू टू चेंज इन पोजीशन इसके अंदर एक एनर्जी आ गया, वी कॉल दैट वन एज एन पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. वो सेपरेट बात है, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी आता है नेक्स्ट क्लास में, ओके. हाँ, यस, एंड ड्यू टू चेंज इन पोजीशन इसके अंदर एक क्वांटिटी आ गया एनर्जी, वी कॉल दैट वन एज एन पोटेंशियल. that potential create more work on your leg. That's why you got hurted more comparatively first time. First time क्या हुआ, इधर से गिरा था, थोड़ा सा छोटा हुआ था, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಾಯ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನೋ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೈಟ್ ಇಂದ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಇನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. बिकॉज yes, due to change in its potential, उसके अंदर स्टोर होता है एनर्जी, वो चेंज हो गया. We call that one energy as an potential. Here also we are learning the same thing. Potential क्या होता है, देखो इधर सुनो, सिंपल वे. पॉइंट बी के ऊपर एक मास है, छोटा मास. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दिस मास टू पॉइंट ए. पॉइंट बी से पॉइंट ए तक लेके आता हूं मैं. एक्चुअली पोटेंशियल है ना, इसको हम लिखते हैं v से. We are representing potential in terms of v. When I'm going to bring this point b to a, okay, we call this one as an work done, right? Work done हो गया. Now at point b potential क्या था, vb. Point a क्या है, potential v है. And one more point keep in your mind guys, potential difference है. Potential for a particular point we can't able to define. If I want to define it means इसको meaningful से define करना पड़ता है. कैसे, I will tell you in this class only. Now point B, इधर potential B, इधर potential A, दोनों same नहीं है. This is called potential difference. क्या हो गया इधर, potential difference हो गया. While writing potential difference we need to write like this. कैसे, सुनो, VA minus VB. From taking the particle to where, final point से initial point को difference करना है. This is called the potential difference. VA minus VB. This is final, this is initial. Is equal to, a potential difference is equal to which quantity? It is actually equal to कितना work done हो गया to bring. If I'm going to bring one particle one point to another point, if I'm going to bring lift one brick from this position to this position, means इसके ऊपर potential हो गया, potential create हो गया, right? What I'm saying, ये mass को इधर से इधर तक लेके जाया, work done भी हो गया for this mass. We are representing this one like work done per unit mass. This is actually we called as an potential difference. क्या बोलते हैं इसको, potential difference. For a single point, if I'm going to ask what is the potential difference at A, means it is not defined. Potential difference at point B, sorry, potential at point B, it is not defined. Potential difference क्या होता है, उसको define करना चाहता हूँ, right? Potential difference means VA minus VB is equal to work done per unit mass. Same question, same concept, which is in a electrostatics also. I think it is getting late, right? 2 मिनट में खत्म करूंगा इसको, अगले क्लास में इसको कंटिन्यू करूंगा मैंने. क्लियर है ना? इधर एसआई यूनिट क्या होता है लिखना है, दैट्स इट. ओके, हियर VA minus VB is equal to वर्क डन. क्या होता है एसआई यूनिट वर्क डन के लिए? इट इज नथिंग बट एनर्जी. वर्क डन इज नथिंग बट एनर्जी. विल राइट हियर जूल डिवाइडेड बाय मास मींस किलोग्राम. करेक्ट ना? मींस जूल पर kg is the SI unit for potential difference. Clear? Clear, right? Guys, today also we lagged. Okay, one more concept I need to explain, 2 to 3 slides था. कोई problem नहीं. Tomorrow we'll bring a new concept. That concept will be potential difference due to gravity means gravitational potential difference है due to a point mass. And later on one more concept है potential energy, and later on escaping velocity. Okay, which mass is taken, sir? I will tell you. Here mass is not okay. We are asking about the mass now. Here actually mass था ना, ये mass को इधर से इधर कर लेके आया था मैंने. Arrow mark it, which is indicating no bro, that's why. क्लियर? 2 मास नहीं है इधर, एक ही मास है. बी के ऊपर था, ए के तरफ लेके आ गया था मैंने. ओके, डन. Okay, I know today's class is not bit energetic. I don't know why. Uh, well, definitely I will do proper one. Okay, how you feel? How you feel? I wanna ask you. Is it went in a good flow? Text me in one or two lines. Yeah, for everyone. Trishna, how you feel? JNV, Ballari, Chitradurga. Okay, okay. Yes, but I'm not at field properly compared to the yesterday class. Yeah, sure, bro. Definitely. Definitely, I will come Ballari once. Madam also there, no? Principal ma'am. She's from Haveri. Okay, okay, guys. Tomorrow we will continue. Okay then. Okay then. Bye bye. Bye everyone.